Hi there, children. This is a short tutorial for the friendly conversation. I'm going to play it for you first, and then I'll talk about how you can learn this piece. So it starts out in the A minor position. And if you have your notes in front of you, the first two rows on page 30 is in the key of A minor, and then if you look at page 31, your hands are going to shift into C major position, and then we'll come all the way back and play the first part one more time on page 30 because it says da capo al fine, which means we go back to the top, to the beginning of the piece until the word fine, which means the end. So here I'm going to play it. Okay, that's how it goes. Now let's look at the notes. And we're going to notice something right away that helps us to read the music and also understand in what direction our hands are going. So we're going to start out here with the right hand, and it's going up, correct? And then it goes back down and goes up and down again. Now we see that the left hand is doing the same thing, just starting out a little later. It's going up and down and then does this thing. So up until here, the hands are moving into a parallel motion, just not at the same time. So that might help you read the notes and play it. So here's my right hand starts, and now in measure 2, my left hand comes in doing the same thing, right? While the right hand is playing la, do, la. So I'm going to play it again. Here goes up, left hand up. Now together and together. Play it one more time, nice and slow. Okay, so the left hand is actually playing this part. La, do, mi, do. Just like what the right hand is playing first. La, do, mi, do. The only thing is now the right hand is going to play 3 more notes while the left hand is playing the echo of the right hand. Okay, so now measure 3. Notice the hands are going in opposite direction. The right hand is going up. Left hand is going down. Okay, and then here right hand is going up and the left hand is going up and the right hand is going down. So that would be we would call that, remember, our contrary motion, like we call that in our scale. So I'm going to play first and second part measure, and then we'll come to the third measure. Okay, now we're going contrary motion. Guess what? Both hands have second finger, both hands third finger, both hands fourth finger. That's pretty easy. And then right away back, we skip down on both fingers again, second finger. 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay, so that's measure third. And now, last measure in the first row, We go again in parallel motion. See how the right hand is going down and the left hand is going down. Parallel motion, which means 5th finger on the left, 3rd finger on the right. We're just going to step, down, step, and then the right hand ends with that E. Okay? Let's see if we can do that together very slowly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, second row. Same thing in reverse. The left hand is starting. Let's do a little rhythm language here, just so you know how to count it. We're in three-quarter time, so 3 beats per measure. We're talking about the red 3/4 cards. So we're thinking in do, da, di. Only we have the quarter note gets the beat. So that means this is a do, ta, and then da, di, or 1 and 2, 3. Do, ta, da, di, do, da, di, do, ta, da, di, do, da, ta, di. Okay, let's clap it and say it. We're just going to do the left hand melody because that's a full line. We're going to clap. Ready, say. Do, ta, da, di, do, da, di, do, ta, da, di, do, da, ta, di. You can stop and reverse and do that one more time if you're not sure. I'm going to play the left hand only. Do, ta, da, di, do, da, di, do, ta, da, di, da, ta, di. Actually, I forgot. Here's a tie. Do you see it? You probably saw it and I missed seeing it. We do not play this note right here, the E, because there's a tie. We're going to think our first beat, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to think do, and then go in here with da, ta, di. Da, ta, di. Okay? Let's do it one more time. Left hand. Follow along. Do, ta, da, di, do, da, di, do, ta, da, di, da, ta, di. Got it? Right hand comes in on the second measure, right? So it goes in, do, ta, da, di, do, ta, da, di, ta, do. So it's almost the same. I mean, it's very similar to the first row, the right hand. It goes to da, bum, 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 bum. And instead of playing bum, 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 it goes right into that contrary motion. Bum, bum, bum. And then bum, bum, bum. So it's similar. It's not totally the same. We talked about that, I think, first when we looked at that. So let's play it together. Here we go. I'm going to play really slowly. Contrary, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to play it one more time. All right. I'm already playing it with dynamics. If you noticed, it's mezzo piano, medium quiet. And then we have here, we start out quiet, crescendo, and then decrescendo. And the same is over here. So once you have that in your fingers, go right away and play it right away with your dynamics. So once we're started, we're ended up here on page 30. And then so from our A minor position, we're just going to shift over to C major. It's really easy. You're just skipping over the B. Okay? And now, let's see, we're going to play it. I'm going to play it. I'm going to watch, do we play anything different here besides that we're in C major now? Let's see. So far, so good. No, contrary. Huh, that's the same thing, right? As page 30, first row. So same tactile experience for your hand, only we're playing it in C major position. It sounds different. It feels the same. It does feel the same because we're all playing white keys. Second row, let's see if that is also matching totally page 30. Here we go. Left hand starts. What do you think? Is it the same thing? Let's do it one more time. To contrary. And a tie in the left here, and oh, da, da, D. No. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I think it's exactly the same fingering, same feel. It sounds different, right? Sounds major, but for the hands, if they can play page 30, you can play page 31. All right, so that's it. Let's finish up with page 30 again, because we're doing the Da capo al fine. So here we go, A minor position. Play along if you are able. I'm gonna play, make sure you listen for dynamics. Notice I also play ritardando. I'm slowing down to just give it a little bit more feel. What a lovely, friendly conversation that is. You guys have fun with this. I can't wait to hear you. Till next time. Bye-bye.